I was aware of the Holocaust from an early age, probably too early an age, and and that was also tied to it. It was tied to this sense that there was this incredibly dark time, where this kind of monstrous time of history where where it was a, where the language, as my brother Sam would say, where the Jews survived, but the language, the lingering effect is the language didn't. And that somehow, this was my brother's money, literally the money line. This is when the old Jews with the double-barreled hearing aids, who really couldn't afford it and already given their last $10, to support the Chaika Klavansky Little Middle Shul, would reach in and pull out the next $5 or whatever it was. He said, every word that we speak, every Yiddish word that we speak, how did he phrase it? I don't want to mess up the phrasing, is something like a blow against Hitler. Right? It was, irresistible to these people. So that's how I felt. That's how I felt. The Hitler, the embodiment of everything that is bad, and that's true. And every Yiddish word we speak is a. People are simple. I mean, in the end, why have religious texts like the Bible resonated through time? Because these morality plays are important to us, and even the secular, even atheists, and we have to construct some kind of, infuse our lives with some kind of meaning and a narrative where there's and there was the perfect narrative. It was better than biblical narrative because it was real and it was on a larger scale and it was